Okay, so first of all, let's see the rules of voice. Rules of voice. So for voice, we have to follow two types of structure. Okay, two types of structure. First of all, let's discuss about the tense chart. Okay, this is voice. We will discuss about the voice. So there are two types of voice. How many types of voice? Two. One is called active voice. Active voice. And the second one is passive voice. Active voice and the second one is passive voice. Active voice means normal sentence. Normal sentence like I am playing, I am going, I am eating, I am talking, she is coming, I know you. Okay, then she knows me. So normal sentences are called active voice, like normal tense. Normal tense means which voice? Active voice. Like मैं आम खाता हूँ, just normal tense ना. So मैं आम खाता हूँ, मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ, मैं तुम्हें जानता हूँ, then मैं उसे बुलाऊंगा, whatever it is. So normal tense, normal sentence is called active voice. For example, I know you. I know you. Second example, she calls me. Third example, I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. So this type of sentences are called active voice. Active voice means normal sentence. Normal sentence. So that is called active voice. When we use tense in a simple way, like simple structure, subject plus amiz or subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. So that is called active voice. So most of the time we have to convert from active voice to passive voice. We have to convert from active voice to passive voice. Clear now? This is active voice. The structure of active voice. The structure of active voice. This is subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. What's the structure of active voice? Subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. So whenever you will have a question related to active voice, so the structure will be like this: subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. Okay, in some sentences there won't be subject, in some sentences there won't be subject. Later we will discuss about that, but normally this type of structure, subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object, this is called active voice. Now let's see the structure of passive voice. Object plus helping verb. For example, let's see one example first, like I play cricket. I play cricket. Subject plus okay, in this sentence there is no helping verb. Subject plus main verb plus object. So this is normal structure. No? Subject is coming first. So that means active voice or passive voice? Active voice. Now we have to convert this into passive voice. So how to convert this into passive voice? Cricket is played by me. Just remember one thing, whenever we talk about voice, so always we have to use third form of main verb. For whenever we will convert from active voice to passive voice, so always which form of main verb we have to use? Third form of main verb. Always means hamesha. So always we have to use third form of main verb. Now let's see the structure. Object. What is coming after object? Helping verb. Then what is coming after that? Main verb plus which form of main verb? Always third form of main verb plus by plus subject. By plus subject. Is this clear? This is the normal structure. First structure of passive voice. First of all, we have to use object. What we have to use first? Object, then helping verb, then third form of main verb plus by plus subject. Now there is second structure. If the sentence is like this, I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. So identify the voice, like active voice or passive voice. What is coming first? What is coming? I is what? Subject. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. So this is which voice? Active voice. So now we have to convert this from active voice to passive voice. In passive voice, always first of all we have to write down the object. What we have to write down? Object. And what is called object? The last part, बिल्कुल आखिर में जो होता है, that is called the object. So what's the object here? Cricket. So what's the structure? What we have to write down first? Object. What's the object? Cricket. Cricket is being played by. I will get converted into me. I will get converted into what? Me. What did we write down first? Cricket. Cricket is what? Object. Cricket is object. So what will be the second structure? Object plus is what? Helping verb plus being. B-E-I-N-G. Being plus which form of main verb? Third form of main verb plus by plus subject. You just Kunal, just write on this first. पूरा लिखो पहले. Just write on full. This two structure is clear. Tense is clear. Which tense? Cricket is wait. Okay. I am playing cricket. Which tense? Which tense? Which tense? Present continuous tense. So there are two types of structure. There are two types of structure. When the same Kunal silent now. There are two types of structure. Two types of structure. One structure is related to present. One structure is related to continuous tense. If active voice is in continuous tense, if active voice is in which tense? Continuous tense. So we will have to follow this structure. We will have to follow this structure. Which structure? Object plus helping verb plus being plus third form of main verb plus by plus subject. Clear now? And if the active voice is not continuous tense, if the active voice is not continuous tense, like this, I play cricket. I play cricket. Is this continuous tense? So if the active voice is not continuous tense, so we will have to follow this structure. Object plus helping verb plus third form of main verb plus by plus subject. So these are the two main structure of passive voice. Two condition. If the active voice is continuous tense, if the active voice is continuous tense. See here. So the structure, there are two types of structure. One structure is for continuous tense and one structure is for not continuous tense. When active voice, which voice? Active voice. When active voice is not continuous tense, cross means continuous tense नहीं है, cross means continuous tense नहीं है. So when the active voice is not continuous tense, so what will be the structure? Object plus helping verb plus third form of main verb plus by plus subject. By plus subject. Now second condition, when active voice is continuous tense. When active voice is continuous tense, जब active voice कौन से tense में हो? Continuous tense. So we have to follow this structure: object plus helping verb plus being plus which form of main verb? Third form of main verb plus by plus subject. These are the two main structure, okay, of passive voice. If the active voice is not continuous tense, when the active voice is not continuous tense, so what will be the structure? Object plus helping verb plus third form of main verb plus by plus subject. And when the active voice is continuous tense, continuous tense, so what will be the structure? Object plus helping verb plus being plus which form of main verb? Third form of main verb plus by plus subject. This much is clear? Okay, just note down this first. Write down this.